To tell you what I'm going to tell you next. Let's have some fun. I'm going to show you something that we Indian boys use to draw the attention of the Indian girls. Are you ready for that? Can I show you some trick? It doesn't work for girls,
Okay.
so I'm just going to show it
okay.
to Parag.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it's called. Why don't you just get up? Come on.
Okay.
And this is also a homage to one of our biggest stars in the country. His name is Shah Rukh Khan. All right? And I'm going to show you how to do the Shah Rukh pose. So can we have some Shah Rukh music in the atmosphere, please? All right? Keep it soft. I have to give instructions also to... Yeah?
Your turn.
All right.
Yes.
Something I can learn?
Yes.
All right, let's have it. So what song should we do it on?
Do you know Tarkan?
Tarkan, of course we all know Tarkan. Tarkan, console. Can we do
The
Tarkan?
Kiss Kiss song. But this is a different song.
This is a different song. Sorry,
The same singer.
we're a family channel here, okay? So we can. So let's have some Tarkan and let me learn some stuff from you. What do you do? I have 5 left feet, but you'll have. But that's okay. Listen, if this plays with Tarkan, it'll be very good. Aren't we doing any Tarkan? Console?
Where is the music?
I'd like to bring to your notice that 3rd May is when Ficky Frames had its first day. And 3rd May, 110 years back, is when the first silent movie called Raja Harishchandra released. And it's almost poetic that Leena ma'am and her team picked 3rd May to open Ficky Frames 23rd edition. So big round of applause. It's some sort of a poetic tribute to the years of the media and entertainment industry. Parag, you spent all this time, Starry. Any thoughts that you want to leave the audiences with? And do you feel a lot more confident after learning the Shah Rukh move?
I'm good. More. Yes.
More of Shah Rukh move?
Yes.
And you're going to watch Pathaan as well?
Of course.
He's going to watch Pathaan, our biggest film, huh? All right. So, thoughts for the audience? Any thoughts for the audience before you leave?
Bir izleyici için bir düşünceniz var mı? Ne söylemek istersiniz?
Yeah, the whole experience here, the experience here at Ficky Frames and all of this.
Çok iyi anladım. Bu benim buraya Hindistan'a ilk gelişim, Mumbai'ye ilk gelişim. Biraz iş dolayısıyla gelmiş oldum bu defa. Bu seferkine iş dolayısıyla gelmiş oldum. Çok merak ediyorum. Kültürünüzü çok merak ediyorum. Sokaklarınızı çok merak ediyorum. Çünkü bambaşka iki kültürüz. O yüzden benim için çok merak uyandırıcı bir ülke. En yakın zamanda tekrar gelmeyi, bu sefer sadece tatil için gelmeyi planlıyorum. Ama burayla ilgili en ilginç bulduğum gerçekten yemekleriniz. Çok baharatlı.
ओके ये हमारी ट्रिप एक बिजनेस ट्रिप जैसी हो गई, लेकिन हमेशा से जो है ना एक इंडिया के कल्चर के बारे में, इंडिया के जो है ना लाइफ स्टाइल के बारे में हमेशा एक क्यूरियोसिटी हमारे अंदर थी। और कुछ मतलब जल्दी से सब चीजें हो गई, लेकिन आई एम श्योर कि मैं दोबारा से आऊंगा। लेकिन एक बात यहाँ पे कहना चाहूंगा कि आपके जो लाइक खाने हैं, फूड्स हैं, बहुत ज्यादा मसाले वाले हैं।
That's fairly honest. That's fairly honest. What about you, Stare?
When I first came here, I was immediately in love. I decided, what was I doing until this time? Why was I going to other, like Western countries, like Europe or United States, traveling to all these countries? After I've seen India, I was like, no, from now on, I'm gonna start traveling to the east side of the world. And unfortunately, other than India and Pakistan, I couldn't, but I want to. Other Asian countries as well. It's amazing. Amazing lifestyle, the streets, the food, the nature. Amazing. I mean, also the people. I made really good friends. I have really great friends, Indian friends, and the kindness and loyalty of my friends is really impressive. So you guys are very human, humane. It's very important that you didn't lose your emotions. And these are the things I can say.
Bu duyguları son bir şey daha söylemek istiyorum. Stare'nin de dediği gibi gerçekten de öyle. Gerçekten çok sıcak bir karşılamayla karşılaştık. O yüzden bu unutamayacağım bir şey. Çok çok teşekkür ediyorum. Gerçekten tek tek hepinize, gerek Fiki Frames ekibine, gerekse denk geldim diğer çalışan ya da buraya beni görmeye gelen insanlar. Çok çok teşekkür ediyorum. Şimdi tekrar anladım neden bu kadar ilişkide olduğumuzu, işlerimiz gereği, organizasyonlarımız gereği neden bu kadar ilişkide olduğumuzu şimdi anladım. Ortak duygularımız çok fazla, hayata bakış açımız çok fazla. Aynı sıcaklıkta ve aynı samimiyette olduğumuzu düşünüyorum. Çok teşekkür ederim.
एक बात और कहना चाहूँगा कि जो आप लोगों का जो वेलकम है और वे ऑफ वेलकम है, उससे वो काफ़ी हद तक मुझे हमारे ऊपर इसका इफेक्ट हुआ। और मैं इसके लिए फिकी और फ्रेंड्स और इस बीच में और लोगों से जो मिला, जिसको अभी नाम नहीं ले पा रहा हूँ, उनका बहुत बहुत थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा। और जो कि ये काफ़ी इफेक्ट किया हमारे ऊपर, आई मीन लाइक मैं काफ़ी इफेक्ट हुआ इन सब चीज़ों से। या
Thank you, and it's been an honor to have you as well. It's been an honor to have you as well. Okay, before we close, what do you all both see is similar about India and Turkish in terms of culture? Stare, you want to respond?
One of the things I notice is when I first saw the streets 10 years ago, now I see the development. Things changed a little bit. And then I realized India reminded me of like maybe, I don't know, like 30, 40 years before Turkey. So it's very similar. Also, obviously, like how I said, the hospitality and the kindness and warmness of people. These are very similar.
Yeah. Burak, what else do you think is similar to the two cultures and hence their stories? Do you think anything is similar, anything that connects our stories? Professor Saab, help me convey this question responsibly.
Siz Hindistan ve Türkiye arasındaki ortak şeyleri hani ne gözlediniz, ne düşünüyorsunuz? Hani ortak bir şey var mı?
Az önce aslında söylemiştim. Halen de aynı şekilde düşünüyorum. Bu soruya da aynı şekilde cevap vereceğim. Gerçekten samimiyetiniz ve heyecanınız sorduğunuz için söylüyorum. Bana çok geçiyor. Belli ki aynı duyguları paylaşmışız ki bugün sizinle buradayım. Umarım tekrar gelirim. Yine bunları böyle gani gani konuşmuş oluruz.
इससे पहले ही मैंने मेंशन किया था कि शायद हम दोनों में कुछ ऐसा म्यूचुअल है, हमारी जो फीलिंग्स हैं जिसके लिए मैं आज यहाँ हूँ, हम एक दूसरे से के साथ में एक सेम फीलिंग को शेयर करते हैं इसलिए, और शायद इसको इतने शॉर्ट टाइम में समझना वो नहीं होगा, इसके लिए जो है ना शायद बार बार मुझे आना पड़े, तो उसके जब मैं आऊँगा तो ये सब चीज़ें क्लियर हो जाएंगी। तो यही है हमारे शायद फीलिंग्स हम दोनों कम्युनिटी की कहीं ना कहीं सेम है।
Onun dışında birçok şeyimiz farklı. O yüzden bunun aynı olması önemli. Onun dışında bayağı farklıyız.
Professor?
Have we got hacked? Burak?
Who is that?
That was interesting. That was interesting. देखो बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसे छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है। प्रोफेसर साहब इस डायलॉग का भी टर्किश रूपांतर करके इनको सुनाइए।
Actually, I cannot hear you. Yeah, William Mahome is here. I think because of the voice clear नहीं आ रही है।
ओके ओके तकनीकी
I heard
रुकावट के
that
कारण।
छोटी बात बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें हुआ करती हैं। You said like this, I think.
बिल्कुल सही फरमाया आपने। मैं कह रहा
Okay, so you want me to translate it? Actually, in Turkish, we cannot, it cannot carry the same feelings, but I will translate literally. Like in büyük şeylerde bu küçük şeyler olur. Yani bu küçük şeyler dikkat etmeyin. Yani we cannot carry the same feelings.
That's okay. Please ignore it. Listen, now I have a more important question for Burak before we let you go. Burak, what's the future like? Are you? I have heard. Tell me if it's the rumor is correct that you are tired of romance and you want to do something different. So is that true? And if that is true, what do you feel like doing next?
Daha önceki Aşk Laftan Anlamaz bayağı bilinen bir dizi galiba bildiğim kadarıyla burada. Çok fazla artık benim için bir değişime ihtiyaç olduğunu hissettiğim bir yerden seçiyorum.
देखो दुनिया में अगर खबर फैल जाए कि किसी जूम लिंक के जरिए
come
बुराक
here.
डेनिस दिख जाएगा तो यही होना है ना। So,
Daha öncesinde romantik komedi yaptım. Burada bildiğim bir iş.
Hello, my friend.
Wait. Please.
Good morning, my friend.
I think I'm sure some fans have found out that Burak Deniz is available on the Zoom link, and they're gate crashing left, right, and center. But like, why don't you rescue us
Yes.
till we
Okay.
restore the connection?
Okay.
Sure. Go
I
ahead.
can continue.
Aha, sen şey yap.
Daha önce yani seçtiğim bütün işlerde bir önceki işime benzememesine çok dikkat ediyorum. Ama özellikle sorduğun soruya vereceğim cevap şu olur. Artık yani güzel bir adamın güzel bir kadını sevdiği ya da işte ne bileyim ben ona benzer başka hani basit de hayatın çok içinde hepimizin hemen şu kapının ardında ya da şu anda burada hissettiğimiz dışında daha beni zorlayıcı rollerin peşinde oluyorum. Şu anda da tam olarak benim son projem şu an Eylül'de yayınlanacak. Çekimlerine buradan hemen döndüğümde başlayacağız. Onu da Hande Erçel'le birlikte yapıyorum bu arada. Yıllar önce çalışmıştık bildiğiniz üzere. Şimdi tekrar birlikteyiz. Eylül'de bir çoklu kişilik bozukluğu olan bir adamın bir kadına aşık olması üzerine bir hikayede yer alacağız birlikte. Heyecanlıyım. Yani sorunun cevabı şu olsa gerek benim için. Ne kadar zorlayıcı olursa, ne kadar içinde kendi değişimimi, kendi sınavımı verecek olursam o benim için daha elle tutulur, daha tercih edilir oluyor. Keyifli yani.
Professor Saab, did you get that, or we'll have to rewind that?
इन्होंने ये बताया है कि दरअसल प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जब भी मैं कोई फिल्म या कोई सीरीज में काम करता हूँ तो मेरा ये एक एम रहता है इससे पहले जो मैं फिल्म या जो एक्टिंग कर चुका हूँ उससे सिमिलर ना हो, कुछ अलग करें, जिससे जो है ना वो लोग पसंद करें।
Okay, I'm going to.
Okay, I'm
That was,
gonna-
anyways, our last question. So I'm going to ask
Should I just go
Stare
ahead?
to help
Yeah,
us out
yeah,
here.
yeah. Obviously, he has done a lot of romantic comedies or romance, romantic dramas, and now he is looking forward to do and try new things as an actor, which is nice because now he is working on a project about a man with multiple personality disorders who falls in love with a lady. So this is going to be.
And India is a great place to practice that. Welcome.
Yeah, I saw that, yes.
We all have so many personalities to deal with, all the multiple personalities
We
we
have to,
go
by the
through.
way,
Yeah, but please continue.
Pretty much that was it. Like he's happy to be working in this new project that will allow him to grow as an actor, because this is going to be a bit different than his previous roles.
Great, great.
Yeah.
On that note, I'd like to tell you, Stare, that you've been extremely gracious, and you've been so kind, and you've been
You
so
too.
humble, and helping us, being a part of frames, and so gently interacting with the industry over here. Burak, about you, तेरे बारे में मैं क्या कहूँ यार, मतलब तू इतना अच्छा आदमी लगता है, एंड मैंने अभी तक किसी भी एक भी लड़की को उसको ऐसे सेल्फी रिफ्यूज़ करते हुए नहीं देखा है, और आई हैव ऑल्सो, आई हैव जस्ट बीन टेलिंग देम ऑल बैड थिंग्स अबाउट यू इन माई लैंग्वेज. At the same time, I have also learned this about Burak of the little 2 days that I've been observing him in this atmosphere over here, that when he stepped out yesterday, he ensured that the radio was playing so that he could learn about the culture over here. So much popularity he has, and every time he interacts with, the love that he gets from his audiences, he's been so gentle, so humble. I've never seen him get irritated for a second. I've not seen, he dabs his sweat with the same pizzazz as with he poses a selfie. He's not complained about anything. And Burak, that says a lot about you. And this is a lot of love from India and the team at Fiki Frames and all of us, that you keep going on from strength to strength. And may your stories go across many languages across the world, and you keep growing as Burak Deniz, the phenomenon that we know as. And Professor Saab, thank you for patiently listening to us and putting up with all the technical glitches that you did. And I am so much in admiration of your Hindi translation of all that we had here.
You're welcome. Actually, I'm a fan of Burak Deniz Bey. So like when I saw him, I was also very excited. So like it was the first time when I'm like translating. It is like
Yes.
I'm teaching Turkish to foreigners, but it was like different for me. So maybe I was like a bit excited, but I tried. But sometimes it is technical problem. It's okay. It was really pleasure to see you and talk to you and see you all guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Professor Saab.
Thank you so much for joining us, Professor.
Thank you so much, Professor.
Thank you.
Vijay again.
All right, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, before we go away, Burak and Stella, there is this one person who I would like to take the cue to call on stage, and I would request the audience to raise a round of applause for her efforts that make a platform like this happen. She is responsible for making this happen. 23 years back, and year after year, she meets with the industry and collects support for a platform like this and makes it happen and gives us the opportunity to learn, to meet other fantastic potential collaborators. And it's not an easy job. I promise you that. And I've also been lucky enough to learn from her. I'm talking about none other than Leena Jaisani, the head of Wiki Media and Entertainment Vertical. Leena ma'am, do we have you? Or Leena ma'am, being the shy person she is, I suspect she must have sneaked out कि ये विराफ मुझे stage पे बुलाएगा. But can I see Leena ma'am? Can we go and get Leena ma'am from wherever she is? And somebody who has also helped us in a lot of interaction with Doruk and getting, Burak. Doruk, can I have you on stage? Come on on stage. Doruk, thank you for being patient and tolerating all our Indianness. We are like this only, where we can just say that. But thank you for being such a conduit of grace and kindness. You'd like to say something since you've come with Burak?
Actually, I'm thanking you because you let us very safe here and, so sincere. And thank you for the audience too. Thank you. Namaste.
Wow. Okay. Can I see Leena ma'am? It happens in India. We'll figure it all out. It's just an Indian ceremony. Come.